Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's the 100th anniversary of the Royal Air Force. I'm outside Heathrow Airport. I'm not going to park there because that's crazy. But we're hoping for 100 planes to fly over in celebration. They've already flown over Buckingham Palace and they should be here any second now. So I'm just pulling over. Let's see if we can see them. There's people pulled over and people parking on the car park, parking on the roundabouts. Here they come. Oh, look at this. That's the Red Arrows. That's the jet aerobatic team for the Royal Air Force. But I don't know where the other 800 billion planes are. Oh, here they come. Look at this, guys. This is going to be, I'm going to have to zoom in, it'll be a bit shaky. These are trainer fighter planes. They're Nats. Pretty amazing. Oh, look at these guys. You wouldn't want these guys flying at you. GR4s and F4s. Look at these guys. Hey, look at those. They are American F35. They're the vertical takeoff and landing American fighters. It's kind of nice. Look at these. They're in formation 100. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this, guys. 100 in formation. Get out of the way, bus. There we go. Oh my word. These are Typhoon fighters. And for the red, white and blue, here come the, oh, here they come. Here come the Red Arrows. Much like your Blue Angels. Well, there you go. That was the Royal Air Force 100th anniversary Flypast. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, keep it Slot Family or wherever I post this. Sorry about my hair and my glasses. How exciting. See you guys, bye.